Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? So in this video we are gonna be unboxing my new baby. Yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. I got a new camera and I want to unbox it with you guys. So that said, let's just delve right into why we are here. So I have a lot of things here and I'm gonna be starting with this. I've opened this one, and I've opened it as well, so it's no more sealed, but there are things inside that I'm gonna be sharing with you. But this one, I just received this one yesterday and I haven't opened it. I ordered this camera from Mercado Libre, so I'm just gonna open it right away so that we see what they have inside together. So here is my new camera. I got this DJI Action 5 Pro adventure combo. As you can see, what is unboxing without? Okay, they have this tripod. Okay, in the picture I was thinking this tripod is long, but it's not as long as I was thinking. It's even handy. The only problem is that like it's not a selfie stick tripod. It's just a selfie stick, like it's just a normal selfie stick. This is what they have inside here. The first one, let me bring everything out. So this is the accessories. Oh my god, this camera is so small. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. It is so tiny. Let me open it. Oh my goodness. This is so small. Even my middle finger is longer than this camera. Oh, and then in here they have this. I think it's the magnetic whatever that it's supposed to go here. Yeah, I think so. And this is the charger. Oh, it's type C, very good. This is type C, not USB type C. I love it. And I think this is a manual scan code for downloading the app, and this is sticker, and then this is the battery case and the batteries. So inside here they have 3 batteries. This is the accessories that it came with. I don't know what this thing is. I used to see it on video. I've watched tons of videos. I don't know what this thing is, but I think I need to go back to YouTube to read and know what this is. Okay, I don't know. This is the stand. I don't know if this thing is magnetic or if it is sticker, like if it sticks. And then okay, they put 2 of these. So this one is the spare, so this is going to stay one place. Then they put this. Oh my god, this is magnetic. It's very strong. DJI, they are very good with building strong magnets, which is very good. Oh lord, this is very difficult to put. So this is the case that it came with. So let me put the battery. I don't know, I think I have a lot of things to learn now. Okay. look at the inside. And let me take one battery. I don't know if this thing is charged or not, or do I need to charge it? Well, I'll still plug it. Yeah, charge it by the side. And then this one will go here. Inside this box, I ordered what's the name? Mic 2 transmitter mic. It's just one mic. This is what it looks like inside. And then I always like how they package things. Look at this beautiful purse that they used to put one mic, only one mic, even though the mic is very expensive. So inside we have silica gel, and then they put charger here as well, which I'm gonna put back inside. And here we have this fluffy. I love how they separated this from here, and then the mic. I love DJI. This is also DJI mini mic mini 2. Oh, hello. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Jennifer. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Bienvenidos y bienvenidas a todos, a todas. I don't want this video to be long. So in here, I got this small purse for my camera. I never knew that this camera was this small. Like, I was even using this thing to measure the size of the camera, not knowing that it's even way smaller than that. We have inside this small bag, we have this for the purse. We have for covering this lens. We also have this one. This one is stronger. This is silicone. Okay, I think this one came with this silicone. They also put this. I think it's maybe for this place. I don't know. But, or maybe, oh no, you put it here. Yeah, it's for this one. And this tiny one, I don't know what this thing is for. It's very small. I don't know where it's supposed to be. But they put this silicone, which I might not be using. I don't know. But for now, I will be using this. This is strong and it's original as well. So I'm just going to keep these ones aside. Let me put them back here. Inside here, I also got the screen guard, like for protecting the screens here, here, and then here, which I'm gonna be doing much later. So this one for cleaning the screen before putting the distance. So I'll do these ones later. Okay, let me keep them here. Oh my god, I am in love with this mic. I love DJI. See. Okay, let's set it up together. Scan the QR code to download DJI Mimo and connect to camera you need to activate. It's making noise. Today is 7th October. What's the time? 10:43. Why will I set it manually? I hate setting time manually. That's guide. Start. I have a lot of things I need to do. I think I'll do it off camera and then come back and then let's test the camera, the auto settings, and then every other thing. So see you guys soon. This is so handy and it's very good. I think I'm gonna get another selfie stick tripod selfie stick. Ooh, it detected my camera immediately. DJI terms and condition, terms of use. We're not going to go. Allow access. I heard rumor online that they are about to release Action 6 and I decided to wait, but at the point I just said let me just order this. So now I have it. This is good. I love the size. I can even decide to just remove this thing and vlog with my hands and everything will still be perfect without this tripod. So, and this is extendable. I've not even said that. This is very long. This is my drone. This is drone. Look at this. You can't even say it. It's long. It's long. I don't know how many meters it is, but this is long and I love it. I have that one. Hey, children, come on. We are going to PB. So I'm currently using the default settings. Just the settings that it came with. So 1080, 30. We are going to church. You want Daddy to come? Yeah, he's coming. So I'm gonna change the settings to 4K. Let's see what it's gonna look like. I'll change my ISO. Okay, let's check under the sun first before changing the system. I'm currently recording with the inbuilt mic that the action camera came with. So let's see what my face is gonna look like under the sun. Bring your hand. Oh wow 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 wow! I wanna chum naya. Then they say hi. Hi. We are back in the sun.
I'm not giving you juice, Amanda. I'm giving you. Are you going to eat?
I'm gonna eat. Let's take it away here, Mom. I like another blow background.
I'm gonna eat my own. I'm gonna eat this.
Yeah.
Guarantees right, Daddy.
Now, for you, I get that. You cannot try. Let's do track. Yeah. It's happy. Stop pressing that. Keep pressing that. So this one is the subject tracking. It's on 2.7K 24. Yeah, see you.
Hello.
16:9 aspect ratio.
Bye. Can you take Dum down?
See your face. Your face is
Oh yeah.
why?
Press this one. Press this one.
See my hand.
After Dum down.
445.
Okay.
Okay, also.
Oh yeah. Dum. This one.
Thank you, Scan.
31 centavos.
Oh yeah.
146
That's enough, okay?
I can do it by
38 pesos 87 centavos.
That's me. Yay.
6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No. Stop.
203 pesos. 132
Dime,
pesos.
Gonca.
99 centavos. 80 pesos. 82.
Witch.
Zoom in. Zoom.
Captures the.
I got it. The purple one. So nice. Bring it a little closer.
Take it.
Catarina. Mientras. Horror. Catarina. Catarina. Yes, I want to use it for Halloween. Catarina. No.
Wait, let me.
A little closer. Catarina.
Hey, Mba Katarina are bunu di ya one. I just changed my texture and the noise reduction. The noise reduction is in -1 and the texture is now in -2. Before they were all in -2. So I'm using the settings that I saw on YouTube. Like, I just want to see if I can get something good out of this thing, but if it didn't go well, we're just gonna see how it goes. But yeah, this is what it's giving. If I go, okay, if I go outside, my white balance is on auto. My auto white balance is on auto. So yeah, this is me. Plus, I don't like the way it's giving the shape of my face. Maybe because of the wide angle lens or so, I don't know. Yeah, that's that. Thank you so much for watching. I'm cooking and I want to go back to my cooking. I just decided to just check out these short videos that I made in the supermarket to see what it looks like. But yeah, so far this is what it's giving us.